Hey guys, Technomy here. So today we are going to revisit the Redmi AirDots. A few days ago, Xiaomi launched these same earphones with the product name Redmi Earbuds S in India. In this video, we are going to take a look how these earphones are working after 8 months of usage. Are they any good for your money? Stay tuned to find out. The true wireless earbuds by Xiaomi were launched way before in China. I had ordered these from AliExpress for around 1100 rupees. I had bought these earphones for basically three reasons. First, that they are truly wireless. Second, they are very cheap. And third, that they promised really good sound quality. These are the reasons that why I bought these earphones from AliExpress. Now Xiaomi is selling the Redmi Earbuds S for around 1800 rupees in India, which seems a fair price for these earphones. First, let's discuss the physical aspects of these earphones after the 8 months usage. First, when I reviewed these earphones 8 months ago, I found that the case cover was a little weak for use. After taking few falls to the ground, this case has already been broken. You can see that, but that's not a problem. You can still use them very well. These come with the magnet, so earbuds are not going to fall from the cover. Overall build quality of these earphones is really good. The magnets holding the earbuds are quite strong, so you can still use them even though case is broken. Now, second most important aspect of these earphones is the battery life. With any wireless earphones which needs to be charged, there may be a problem with the battery life after months of usage, but that's not the case with these earphones. If you can get extra 3 charges with the case, and after the 8 months it is still giving me around 3 hours of battery life, which is a really major point for these earphones. Best feature I look for while buying any earphones or headphones is their sound quality. And when you hear these earphones for the first time, you can feel that these earphones sound really good. In past, if you have used any mid-ranged earphones such as Sennheiser CX180 or let's say any Boat earphones, and after that if you use these earphones, then you are definitely going to love the sound quality of these earphones. They offer a really bass heavy and punchy sound, which most of the people like in any earphones, and this is really good for the price point of these earphones. One major concern I had with these earphones when I bought them was the microphones. When you are using these earphones for calling purpose, the receiver is not able to hear your voice clearly because the microphone is picking all the noise around you. So that was the problem with the Redmi AirDots which were launched in China. But I hope that Xiaomi has addressed this issue with the earphones and improved upon it. So another important question many people had when I bought these earphones was, are they able to fit really well in your ears, or are they falling from the ears while you are exercising or say traveling? I never had any issue whatsoever with the fit of these earphones or say earphones falling from my ears. Some people might have problem with the fitting of these earphones, but with the time and when you get used to these earphones, it's not a big problem. Another really important thing Xiaomi is upgrading in the Redmi Earbuds S is that they are providing Bluetooth 5.0, which is a really good thing for any earphones because they will provide sound with least amount of lag. So this is a really good feature to have in the Redmi Earbuds S. So that covers all the bases for Redmi Earbuds S or Redmi AirDots. What I feel about these earphones is that they provide really good sound quality for the price point they are offered at. If you want nice sound quality with the freedom of wireless earbuds, then you should definitely buy these earphones. I have made another video on these same earphones covering all other points of the earphones. You should definitely check that video on my channel. Thanks for watching this video.